This video tutorial I will explain AspectJ throws advice example using XML configuration. At after throwing annotation declares the throws advice. The throws advice will be executed if actual method throws an exception. Here I have defined the class employee service. It has three methods: add employee, modify employee, and delete employee. Add employee method throws an null pointer exception. Here I have defined the class logging aspect. It has log after throwing method which accept two parameters, join point and throwable. We will see how to configure to execute log after throwing method of logging aspect class if add employee method throws an exception. This is a Spring configuration file. Here I have created bean for employee service class, and I have mentioned aspect classes, logging aspect class, and here I have done AOP configuration, and here I have specified point cut method as add employee method of employee service class, and here I have configured if add employee method of employee service class throws an exception, then call log after throwing method of logging aspect class. AOP colon after throwing is equivalent to at after throwing annotation. Here I have defined the class app. Here I have created application context object by reading a Spring configuration file using getBean method of application context object, getting employee service object from Spring container, and calling add employee method, modify employee method, and delete employee method. Here you can see the output, and here you can see after add employee method throws an exception, log after throwing method is called. You can find source code for each example in my blog, and you can find a playlist for each topic in this playlist link. From this video description, you can get these links. Please check the description of this video.